A warning tonight for those between the ages of 30 and 60. Despite increases in vaccinations, new COVID cases are on the rise in that age group. As News 2's Alex Dennis explains now, infectious disease doctors say the new COVID variants are causing more severe disease in younger people.
We end up seeing people in the hospital struggling and fighting for life who were in the prime of their lives prior to getting infected.
It's a disturbing new trend in the fight against COVID-19. As the most vulnerable find protection and immunity, those waiting for a vaccine have become the new target for infection.
The people who are getting hospitalized are in that sort of middle-aged age bracket between 30 and 60.
Infectious disease expert Dr. David Aronoff attributes the rise in cases to several factors. Firstly, COVID variants are not only more contagious, but appear to be more dangerous.
Some of these new variants that are circulating seem to be better at causing symptomatic disease in younger people than the original SARS-CoV-2 that came out.
Secondly, as restrictions ease and more unvaccinated people gather, it becomes a pure numbers game, says Dr. Aronoff. Even if death is less frequent in younger people, the more younger people who get infected, the more we will see.
It becomes a bit like a Russian roulette game where we continue to put more and more bullets into the chamber as more and more people are getting infected with SARS-CoV-2.
During the pandemic, we've learned when case numbers rise, other metrics follow.
Deaths tend to lag behind new cases and even hospitalizations. That we'll start to see an increase in deaths in the near future in the next 2 to 3 weeks.
It's a reality for this emergency room medical director who urges anyone unvaccinated who may not have been on high alert before to fight pandemic fatigue.
This last year has been heart-wrenching because we have seen so many people die of this disease. That has had a huge effect on, I think, our psyche as a society, and we want to get through it. But at the same time, we don't want to do it prematurely so that we put more people at risk.
Protect yourself, which in turn protects others. Alex Dennis, News 2.